Hello and Assalamualaikum. In this video, me and my teammate will present about Project 1, which is development of a young coconut cutting machine. Our supervisor name is Mr. Rosani bin Tapah. This slide will be presented by Muhammad Daniel Hakim bin Abdullah, Kitisab Kun Pichai anak lelaki Sami, Muhammad Hasif bin Norman, and myself, Yusni binti Haludin. Abstract. Based on the title, the way to cut young coconut manually is to use a knife or a machete. First of all, cut the top of coconut, then on the edge of the coconut, and the lastly is cut on the bottom of the coconut as a base. So the machine that we will produce is a semi-auto young coconut cutting machine. There are several scopes that are the focus of designing and producing prototype products. This machine is semi-auto and uses an alternative current power supply. This machine is created for use by roadside coconut water stall or in restaurant. The main objective of the development of this young coconut cutting machine is to save cutting time. The expectation of developing this product can achieve the objective where testing will be done on the prototype products. Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Yusni binti Haludin with number matric 09 DKM24F1040. Okay, I would like to present about introduction of our project. The first one is Malaysian weather nowadays is quite hot. Because of this situation, encouraging many stalls selling coconut water is open. Third, cutting young coconut manually takes a long time and is quite dangerous. So the function of the machine to be built is to cut and peeling the young coconut on 3 parts at one time. It's a semi-auto coconut cutting machine. This machine will save the time of cutting young coconut and all work can be done safely and easily. Alright, for problem backgrounds, how to cut young coconuts manually by using a machete only. Okay, first, manual cutting is to point the machete, eyes out and peel off while turning it on the x-axis by 360 degrees. By using a machete, the young coconut fruit is cut straight to produce a flat base. Based on the survey form, 64.6% of sellers state that peeling and cutting young coconut fruit is not an easy thing to do. Second, 62.8% said that cutting manually is harmful and unsafer for inexperienced people. Third, 70.9% say that improving the technology of peeling and cutting of young coconut fruit will bring many benefits as well as save time on the peeling and cutting of coconuts. The last one is the manual method of peeling and cutting of young coconut takes about 4 to 5 minutes. This is about problem statement. Based on the background of the problem that has been stated, the problem statement for this project is takes time to cut young coconut. Manually cutting and peeling of young coconut is very dangerous if one of is not good at it. Objective. Based on the problem statement that has been stated, the objective of this project is develop a semi-auto machine to reduce the time taken during cutting. Alright, for scope, firstly, design and produce prototype product. Number 2, this coconut cutting machine can only be used to cut a young coconut. Number 3, this young coconut cutting machine was created for the use of small roadside coconut water stall and in restaurant. Number 4, the girth of young coconut is according to the size available in the market, with girth measure about 94 cm. Number 5. This machine works as a semi-auto and uses an alternative current power supply. Number 6. This machine can cut one coconut for one cutting process. And the last one is type of testing is time test. Importance of the project. By producing this venture will carry many advantage and blessing to the Malaysian community, especially small merchants who do commercial enterprise in coconut water. With the manufacturing of this challenge can minimize the time of peeling and cutting younger coconut. This will make it less difficult for small merchants to enhance younger coconut merchants and lead them closer to their monetary development. Advantage for this machine is more safer, which is the cutting blade is closed. Number 2, portable. This machine has a lighter mass and is effortless to move. Number 3, save more time. This machine able to operate peeling and cutting method in 3-in-1 process. Number 4, hollow mild steel. This machine has a better body due to the use of greater steady. Next, the use of electrical energy, which makes it simpler for customer to carry it to anywhere they want. And the last one is this machine easy to use and user friendly.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel Hakim bin Abdullah. My number matric is 09 DKM20F1032. I am from DKM4D class. Today I will present about literature review. Literature review. Introduction. To provide a review of another product is a young coconut cutting machine and the previous study about the existing product. Comparisons of other product will be made. Substantial literature review has been studied on its advantage and disadvantage. It is proof that a given fact is true or not. All the theory about the product will be studied to prove it in terms of using it. However, little information can be found on integrated durability evaluation methods. The objective of the design is to develop a prototype of a young coconut cutting machine which requires an amount of good understanding on the knowledge of young coconut cutters. Therefore, executing research is necessary to obtain all the information available and related with the topic. This is due to improve quality of the prototype and will help to achieve objective target. Previous research. Figure A, Figure B. Figure A. Use the method of splitting coconuts into two parts. The process is a piece of coconut will be inserted into the coconut holder part. The cutting point will lower to cut the coconut into two parts. Due to the condition of the tool eyes is not closed, involves safety issues in the use of the machine. Figure B. This semi-auto machine consists of two parts, namely the peeling part and the coconut cutting part. The method of using this machine is to insert the coconut on the special part. Then the machine is turned on. The coconut will be rotated and the peeling tool eye will be lowered and inserted. This machine has some similarities with the project, strong which can lead to safety issues when using the tool. Lack of present project. Figure A. Exposed device eye position. Lack of use of science to facilitate and decrease the time of reducing and peeling younger coconuts. Requires many separate techniques for peeling and slicing younger coconuts. Figure B. Too massive and heavy to move. Consumption of electrical energy DC as the predominant source has a much less stable skeleton. Open machine that can lead to any unexpected accident.
Okay, now I will start with the methodology of our group. The methodology is start with the flow chart. From the starting, we will do the collecting the information about the project. We also find the information about how to cutting and peeling the coconut perfectly. From that, we also find 3 design to our project. If yes, we will selecting the material and component to our project. If no, we will draw the 3 more design to our project to make it perfectly to our project. After selecting material and component, we will do the fabrication. From that, we will combine all part of our project to become one project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asif bin Norman. My matric number is 09 DKM 1114. Firstly is testing. Only 2 tests are performed, which is a time test and a sharpness test of the cutting blade. Time test to find the average time taken. Next, finishing. Spray paint will be used to add on the uncovered floor on the venture section to maintain the metallic use. The rotating part will be covered with a cover. Sharp edge will be covered. All is used to make curtain easy motor motion and ultimately is scraping rust. Complete to decrease or do away with all rust determined on the floor of iron, body and the light. Firstly, I will present about estimate cost. The first item for this project is we use car battery unit and S60. Average cost 120 until 150. Power window of roda kancil, the cost 30 until 80 ringgit. Next, my steel hollow square 20 to 420 mm in inch, 1.26 to 16.5 inch. A cost 60 ringgit. Rivet, a cost 50 ringgit. Aluminium AB, a cost 20 until 30 ringgit. Bolt and nut 50 ringgit. Stainless steel 20 ringgit. Spray 10 ringgit. Switch 5 ringgit. Workbench 5 ringgit. And wire 5 ringgit. The average total for the cost total is 430 ringgit.
Alright, this is several reference that we refer to complete our project. So that's all from my team. Thank you very much.